Good day viewers, welcome back to Earth Defense Force Iron Rain for the Blade.
Bring it back here.
Now last part of the video we defeat the giant thing. I know what's gonna happen today.
Giant creature
There's
nest.
the blast leader. Destroy the giant creature's nest in this area.
Roger that. Blast team, let's go.
Oh, Scorpion!
There. Oh, there.
Oh, whoop! Stop hitting me! I'm on your side! Oh, Dragon, look!
The Rising's carcass is yet to be found.
These things are blocking.
We got Miss Worry Ward over here.
Whoa!
The ocean is Brenda.
And ate me.
They won't find it that easy.
Well, we can't all be happy-go-lucky like you, Mike.
Cool it, you two. Focus on the mission.
Yes, sir. I just have a good feeling about
I
this.
just saved you back there.
Thanks for that.
There's a giant creature nest, we have to take care of that.
Alright then.
See the yellow on the map?
Yeah,
I think that's the giant creature's nest.
Giant ants. At your service.
May I continue, if you please?
I'm going forward.
Oh, there's a giant creature out of it. There's other giant creatures. I'll take care of those.
Uh-oh. Fire! Ah! Well, that worked.
Ah.
Sorry, Team Blast, but I'm pulling out.
Whoa!
Nobody can be charging alone.
You're supposed to be behind me. Where'd you go?
There are giant creatures behind us. Did you hear what I said when I said that?
You said you would take care of them.
I
So,
did.
so I went ahead. Oh!
Scorpion alert!
Stop letting Blast have all the fun.
This is bad for me.
Okay. Pick out as many things as I can find.
Ah! Ah! They're trying to surround me back there.
Those storms on the radar. Those pincers.
Uh-oh.
Death tattoo on them.
There's the nest.
There's someone behind me!
I found the nest. Ah! Ah, I can't.
Why?
There are too many in my way.
Ah.
And I need to keep reloading at the same time.
I'll go into the nest.
You all have giant scorpions in here.
All weapons can destroy it. We did it. The nest is crumbling down. Eliminate all enemies.
Ah!
Ah. I clear my side.
I clear my side.
Looks like we need to fall back.
But there's still enemy.
Then we take them out.
Behind me though. I don't know about you.
I'm heading towards it.
I won't make it in time.
You can make it, you're the one flying.
Yeah, but I'm gonna run a booster
There they
in
are.
time. You do it.
Time
Got
to
it.
shine.
Just one here.
Oh, I seem to have missed one.
There we go. What? No, there are more of them.
Oh, there are more in the map!
just tackled me!
I'm heading over there now.
Please hurry.
Oh, you're over there.
I gotta reload!
I see them. I see them.
Weapons gas detected. Evacuation recommended.
Gotta reload.
There they are. Oh, sneaky.
Oh! One more. That wasn't that bad.
Oh, no more.
Mission complete. Great work, team.
No one's saying anything though.
Well, I made it to the energy. What about you? Are you gonna make it? 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah, I didn't make it. He was hiding under that rubble.
That's where the nest was.
The military rations just aren't enough.
Then why don't you try eating these guys? Nice and medium rare.
Not even half funny.
You know the rations are just moth larvae, right?
Wish I hadn't heard
assault
that.
rifle. Return to the cave. Ah,
Oh,
this is gonna be a long one, is it?
yeah. You mean the one where the moth's supposed to be?
That doesn't look like a cave.
Oh, it doesn't look like a cave.
Of course, we can bring our tank.
No tanks allowed. Here we are.
We received reports that the remnant aggressors have gathered in this area. Please exterminate them.
Exterminate all aggressors.
We're going underground again? I'm not liking this.
Not like you made things any easier for us last night, Mike.
Oh!
Hey, I said sorry.
Whoa! Whoa, that was his head.
Oh!
Who's shooting rocket launchers?
Me!
Oh, man, I just want to relax.
Incoming though.
Anyway, they made another nest?
The underground tunnels are too complicated to keep them all under immediate control.
Guess we'll just need to take them out as we see them.
Reloading. I ain't the heal. I'm the one who got damaged.
Someone using a heavy artillery.
Not me.
I didn't see with you. Lightsaber!
Do something!
Oh, I hit you with a lightsaber. Ow!
When they hit you with the explosive, is that it?
Yes, you did it again.
This is
Did I hit you?
Yes.
I thought the enemy hit you, not... No, it didn't. You got damage.
For most of the electricity we need to survive.
Yeah, so you can get
rely
that
on energy
explosion
gems.
from
There are no
the
more
allies.
aggressors. We won't be able
Actually,
to
there was
get
a
any
beetle
gems.
there that explodes.
Most countries are considering starting up generation
There was. I saw it.
but it may take years until they can provide enough energy.
We may be headed for a worse energy crisis than we're in now. Guess that's the price of war.
What's this?
Ah!
Oh.
Hey!
I did not explode. I didn't even know.
I was close to it too.
Weird though.
Easy street.
What?
I didn't get hit when it explode.
There was a healing gem in this.
No, you were knocked down, right? You know
Yeah.
you can't attack because you're there. Uh-oh. back here!
You got it?
Yeah.
Where are you guys going?
Actually, that's the right way because I was there.
Oh, did you hear? Kim's getting married next week.
Kim? Lightning leader? Doesn't he have a child? He's married, but they never had a ceremony.
Right. He
Which
got
way did
married
you go?
right around when
Or in
the
the road?
aggressors started appearing.
Just follow the arrow. I
We
follow
can
the
talk about
arrow.
these sorts of things.
Alright.
I wonder if it means the world is starting to heal.
Rebellion Max.
Rebellion?
It's a joke. Courtesy of those hyenas. Don't let their mechs take the gems.
Exterminate all enemies. Oh, you're saying the aggressors.
Ooh!
Sorry, you gotta take me a while for me to get there.
Can you please hurry up?
Speak for yourself, you're the one who flies. What's that green thing?
Enemies! There are green beetles! So they explode green!
One disappeared right in front of me!
I'm stuck!
Warning.
Oh!
Extreme temperatures rising to abnormal levels.
Oh!
They explode though.
That's what I just said! Ah! Do something!
I am shooting.
I'm hitting myself!
Exterior temperatures rising to abnormal levels.
Oh!
You bombing Geno bombs.
Do you have to take out the rebellion as well?
Yes.
I know which are ally and which not.
The enemy is retreating.
Oh, they
You
were
need to
shooting.
follow them.
Warning.
Oh!
Exterior temperatures rising to abnormal levels.
All enemy aggressors.
Mission complete.
Okay.
We did it.
Wasn't that long?
Time to gather
wasn't.
up the gems.
Ah!
Use the cane before falling down.
Oh!
Together now.
Didn't reach you, huh?
Haha! Again!
Because the cave's too steep. My sword can't reach. Armor was useful to those scorpions though.
Our brave EDF soldiers. How are you doing? It's Livy. It's getting chilly lately. I hope no one's caught a cold. I don't mind it at all, though. Did you know I'm from Chicago? Over there, winters are so cold, the wind stings your face.
Grenade
I guess it's
launcher.
a bit early to be mentioning winter, huh? Anyway, after all your rigorous training,
Uh-oh.
you must not even feel the cold.
Nope, not at all. Need a tissue there?
No one's got a cold, but look like someone got a cold.
Yeah. Whoa.
Wow! It's been all
All
and
specimen executor.
Multiple savage creatures found within the protective walls.
Got it. Blast team, focus on
Oh!
eliminating them all.
Okay, you charge in there, I'll stay up here and shoot them.
that's cowardice!
I can even see myself.
Previously used for weapons.
Fine,
Oh!
fine, I'll go down. You want me to go down? Ow! And that's what I get.
Incinerous creatures?
Oh! Oh, that was easy. Is that it? Wait, those are great beetles!
Great beetles? Oh, they come in here, huh?
Ow! How am I not to shoot me?
Let's hope that's all they're after.
And how am I going to tell them to keep out of my firing range?
Wow. Boom! Uh-oh, gold beetle.
Oh, beetle?
You know, the number one.
Oh, yeah, I know. Good job,
You just came out of nowhere when I pressing the start button.
Charge saber. Landfill. They just made it.
Did they?
They made it when I didn't my sword. I know.
There's a box here. Is it a box? Oh, it's a trash can. Sorry.
Is the trash can?
Yeah, I thought it was a box that we can use.
Wow! He tackled me and I defeated it. Hey! That beetle just ran over me.
I guess they can run over you here.
In fact, they did. Hey, there's
It just means this mission is quite easy.
yeah, that's what I want to see.
Look at the last one, Maria. I'm getting some gems. Oh no, it's with me. You saw that in your screen, I'm sure.
Yeah, it was like fire away.
Oh, that was it?
That was easy.
Mission complete. Great work, team.
Is it me, or are there more gems than usual? It's payday, baby!
More gems.
Taming these creatures could allow them to gather gems more efficiently. Willingly, from the creatures themselves.
What? I might expect that from the rebellion, but not us.
Let's hope so.
Team Hayes, with their frivolous behavior, I can't respect it.
Got a lot of gems.
Is it me? That was pretty easy.
Yeah. Ever since that hype club disappeared, things are getting easy. But I'm not
Hey, did you hear
complaining.
Land Lake Foods may quit being our sponsor?
No way. If that happens, what'll become of us?
Commander's probably in meetings all day.
So, the commander fights his battles in the meeting room.
We're gonna use tanks or we're fighting tanks?
Well, if that's the case, we will fight with our own tanks.
Plus, we need to escort the tank fleet passing through the Badlands area. While on the move, this fleet encounter a swarm of winged ants, which would cause a near giant creature and gather in the area. Be careful out there.
Oh, an escort.
Are we gonna protect them or something?
Yeah, most likely.
Not really good with protecting.
Your goal this mission? To support the other teams. The teams dispatched to this area are surrounded by enemies and are
Save
currently
other
unable to
teams.
move. Take out the surrounding enemies and save that team.
Whoa!
Time to work.
He's one of yours, Blade.
What do you mean one of mine?
You're the one with a jetpack.
Shut up! I can handle this on my own.
No, I'm shooting you too. Don't worry. Oh, where you think you're going?
You know, I can use some hand here.
getting the other one. You know, the air.
Thank you, closer.
Ah.
The mission has been updated.
Defend target.
Thank you, Blast Team. We're saved.
See those yellow ones?
Yeah.
That's what you need to protect.
I'm going on their side. But I need some backup when the time comes.
Alright. So and I'm anxious to reload. Another one. Oh, good. Take that out.
Let's go. No faltering back. Remember your training. Hoo-ah. Drill Sergeant Stricto.
Go. Get out of here.
Give them any love? Sergeants don't have parents. They form natural.
Do you have to follow them?
Apparently so.
I'm following the tanks though.
You do that. I'll get the rest of the gems. Okay, I got the rest of it.
Can you even come after us?
Don't worry, I can make it there.
Here comes the next wave. Prepare to intercept.
There they are. You can see it from here.
They fly again. Well, there are wings with ants.
We get at
Damn it! I need to reload. Bad timing.
I need to reload too.
It's not over yet. Stay on your toes.
I cannot.
Hey, get away from that stack, you. Oh, there's a spider as well.
I'll take care of the rest around here. Oh no, green ant! I mean green beetle!
Over there. Hey, there's the tank.
Exterior temperatures rising to abnormal.
I'm trying. No! Do something!
Get out of here.
Temperatures rising to abnormal levels.
Oh. There's so many of them. Do you have 3 tanks?
Yeah?
Good.
What?
There's one up there.
Yes, sir.
I can't overdrive anymore, I already used it.
Giant creature on the radar.
Giant creature on the radar.
Look at your map.
Yeah. Ow! What the heck?
Whoa!
Oh my god! Help!
I'm coming over there.
Ah! I hit myself!
Watch it.
You know the tank?
Yeah.
It just run me over!
Wow.
I don't know why to go.
Okay, all taken care of.
Yeah. Defend the target complete.
Alright, get those gems.
So, that's an all clear then? Eh, squad leader? Looks like it's all clear.
That tank just run me
Wonderful
over.
work, everyone.
Last team, headed home.
That was big. This is the one I taken out.
Get the others. I'll handle the large one.
Why did I ever go and enlist in the
Actually,
first
that's a
place?
lot.
Yeah, we're defending it. You got overlay. The tank just run me over.
Well, it's a tank. No news.
Just got a new
Rocket
weapons
launcher.
list.
I already have one.
Recovery device. Yeah, our green field isn't even not enough anymore.
What? Stand up.
Oh, those things.
Ah.
I'll deliver anything with a single click.
Quick feeder.
That's 1,000 HP.
Yeah, it is 1,000 HP. Comes HP 1,000.
Let's go with that.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Yeehaw!
Equip it.
Alright then.
There we go.
See if all good. Alright.
Let's do this. Hey, I got a question.
What?
On the last mission, we're protecting tanks, right?
Uh-huh.
Are we tank defense force now?
This mission is to defend
Uh-oh.
the target.
Defend another?
Oh no!
Squad leader to blast leader. Aggressors confirmed in the area out ahead. But they're small in number. Roger that, squad leader. We'll take it from here. When we get back to camp, let's get a drink. Like old times. Roger. I've been saving a bottle. I'm looking forward to it. Let this be the last. All these fluttery things are pissing me off.
Have you known Squad
We have to
Leader
defend
long?
that. Get over there.
Hell yeah.
Actually,
Same here.
here's another one.
We interviewed him back. I guess 20 years back. We just
That's
clicked.
the main problem.
So we've been friends since even before
I'm
you
over
met.
here.
Ow! Ow!
Stop moving so much. I hate defending. I'm not really good with it.
There's no defending. Just defend for it now. What is
Protected target is almost destroyed.
almost destroyed? There's not even a damage on it.
There
oh
is.
no! Okay, that's down.
Ooh!
It's so annoying to aim at these pods.
Ow!
I'm gonna start by taking out this giant one.
Well, there's no more enemy for now.
This is Maeve. Emergency communication from Squad Leader.
Currently in battle with unidentified giant creatures. Squad 4 and 6 are down. I've never seen a bug like this. Ah!
A bug?
Cyrus!
Oh no.
I'm on top of the one we're protecting. I'm on top here.
Be careful.
Communication with Squad Team has been lost. Aggressor signal on the radar. An unknown enemy has entered the area.
Please don't tell me.
What the? What are those?
What are those?
Be careful. Squad fought this new enemy. To no avail.
I'll give you support from the top.
Alright, good.
But I'm reload. Oh no! Behind us! Behind!
Alright, I'm heading from behind. Don't worry, the front is secured.
Stop that!
Hey, get out of there!
I'm reloading. Do something.
Pretty tough too.
I got some of them.
Like the giant insects, these guys have a distinct desire to kill. These aren't bugs. They're monsters. Is it me? Or do they kind of resemble?
Yeah, we've seen
There's
something like
two
that.
more.
Yeah, what is it?
It's attacking the. It's attacking our base.
Got it.
Damn it, I'm trying to take it easy.
Oh, is that difficult?
Yeah, they look a little bit different though.
Today we have new enemy to
The new
take care of
giant creatures
now.
are all exterminated. Is everyone all right?
Yeah, somehow.
Please, some more
A message
protecting.
from HQ.
I had enough for one day.
Raznid has appeared off the Pacific Ocean.
Raznid? That mega giant creature? No. I knew something felt off about this. This was not in the briefing.
Get an egg.
Yeah, do you heard what they say?
What?
A mega giant creature.
This is UNN, Universal News Network. Earlier today, the mega giant aggressor creature known as Raznid appeared off the coast of California. Raznid appeared with the Hivecraft 2 weeks ago in California, but
Minigun.
was thought to be dead,
Ooh.
as it had sunk into the ocean along with the Hivecraft, thanks to the
Dual
EDF.
battle.
But it seems to have survived the attacks. In
Oh, no.
response, EDF Marines are forming a fleet of battleships to take down Raznid as early as tomorrow.
Yo, what you looking
Universal
for?
News Network, signing off.
That monster was alive.
Yeah, looks like it. Squad leader, aren't you scared? Of course
I
I am.
wonder.
But I'm
Should I
here
or
to
not?
fight.
Do what
I
you
turned
want.
my back on my parents by enlisting here. Fighting's all I got left.
Alright.
Thanks, bud.
Alright guys, so we'll cut it here and go to the next part of the video. Well, next part we have a dual battle, maybe one of the ship again.
It's kinda hard to take that down.
Yeah, so that's all. I hope you enjoy. So, Shelby, don't forget the next part of the video. Goodbye.
See ya!